So what's good, people? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be doing a proper thorough clean of the leather seats. So not only are we going to be cleaning them, we're going to be protecting them as well, so we get that long lasting durability. So that's important. So first things first, people, this is the product I am going to be using. It comes as a complete kit. So it's a simple two-step process really. So obviously step one is to clean the leather to ensure it remains healthy and fresh. Step two is to apply the balm to protect the leather and make sure its long-lasting durability is at its full. Also, people, as well, quick little warning, this kit only applies for automotive. So anything car related, leather seats, leather steering wheels, or leather little bits in your door cards or whatever, it can work on. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, please remember to hit that like button. Without any long talk, let's get straight to the video. people, so step one is done. So obviously the seats were a bit dirtier than what I expected, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that. But they were a bit dirty, and obviously they needed a good clean. But time for step two. Now we're gonna use the leather care balm and cure the seats, give it that long lasting protection and durability. So that's what we're gonna do now. So time to crack on with that. We're only going to be applying a little bit of this onto the applicator. Alright people, two-step process: car, leather seats and leather trim, leather steering wheel. To be honest, I think they look much better. Yeah, much better. So you guys have just seen me clean the leather seats, the leather trim in the door cards and the flat bottom leather steering wheel. I've cleaned it with the leather cleaner. I've let that dry, and then after I've applied the leather care balm. I mean, that took, I did a thorough job, and I probably took about an hour and a half max to get in all the grooves and everything. But yeah, satisfied with the finished product. So there you have it people, that's it for this video. If you like little DIY videos like this, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and we will catch you up on the next one. So till then, take care, stay safe, peace.